Hey everyone, welcome to this next session on the inference connector, and this time we are going to look at the image read by operation. Read by URL you can see here, but we have two different options here, so we are going to look at both. So what we have is, again, I will use my existing prepared Postman templates, where I will just ask, what do you see? And there's a URL. You can provide image URL. This URL contains this picture. So Eiffel Dome in a snowy background. And there's another option as well. So that's number one. Number two will be providing, instead of a URL, base encoding, base64 encoding, which you can completely do from format from AnyPoint Studio. So this is basically what we are going to look at, and this is the listener I will be creating. So let's go. We go here directly, add a new listener, and this time we call the flow read by URL. No, we will do it both the same. So it will be read image by. Okay. So why it's read image by? Because you have both options meanwhile. So image base64 or URL. Going to put it here. And the configuration, we need to create a new one because this time we require image models, vision models. So we are going to say this is, let's go here, attributes dot headers dot inference type, copy paste API key and copy paste model. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, let's increase a little more. The prompt will be payload.prompt, easy. And the image URL, or here it says image, and this is an image URL or a base64, will be image URL in my template. Okay, so that's it. And finally, we are going to use the format reply, paste it there, and it should probably paste. Oh, I pasted twice. So let me delete one, and the rest should be fine. I will save it now. And the other base64 thing is, let me go base64. Yeah, this one is good. No, I need the other one, base64 to image. This is image to base64, and just want to show you what is the other image. So we have it here. I will copy and go back. So the other image is about something else. It's a red Toyota, looks like. Is it a Toyota? Yeah, could be a Toyota. Anyway, it's a red car. So let's take a look how this is being read by the LLMs. So we have here started. Let's check. Yeah, it looks good. We have 1, 2, 3. Oh, it should. Oh, it's still building. Okay. So I guess I need to pause and come back. No, it was just getting started. So yeah. So no need to pause. Now we can see we have the image somewhere, read image by, and we can start with OpenAI. What do you see? It will come up with something which depicts a winter scene in Paris featuring the Eiffel Tower. This is the model. We can do it for Mistral as well. So for Mistral, it's the same picture, and it will do basically the same, similar answer. And for Mistral, we use the small latest. For Anthropic, it's again the same picture. And that's the whole thing, right? So we will support for different connection types, different model providers, like here for the read image. And you see exactly it's the same unification on the attributes and on the payload side. Same works for the Base64. So it should come up and tell us about the red car. So here you can see it shows red specifically it's a Toyota. So I was right. And this is the model we used. And for all those, we have Olama as well, which is running locally on my machine. There you can go just with Base64. I will not do it because I don't have much resources right now. But all those are supported for the inference connector. All right, so that's it for this one. And in the next one, we are going to look at the image generate.